Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to find a Shopify store name. It's often simpler than you think. The easiest way is to simply look at the store's homepage. Most Shopify stores proudly display their name right at the top, usually in the header or sometimes in the footer. Keep an eye out for a clear logo or text that immediately tells you the business's identity. This method works for about 80%. If the name isn't immediately obvious, a quick Google search can be very effective. Try typing in a product you know the store sells or its specific niche, followed by Shopify store. For example, handmade jewelry Shopify store. Google will often show results with the store's name clearly in the title or description. This technique helps uncover many hidden gems. The Leap system is a powerful mechanic that unlocks and enhances 3 distinct skills for your constructs. These upgrades introduce entirely new abilities or significantly boost existing ones, often altering a character's core playstyle. For example, a leap might add new elemental damage or unique combat mechanics. To fully realize a construct's potential, it is highly recommended to upgrade all 3 leap skills to their maximum level of 18, ensuring they remain formidable in any battle. Finally, if you're still having trouble, check the About Us or Contact Us page. These sections are designed to provide information about the business, including its official name. You might find it in a small paragraph or within the contact details. If all else fails, a polite email to their customer support asking for the store's official name will usually get you an answer within 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.